Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want.
The Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want.
The Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want. Fresh and green are the pastures where He gives me repose. Near restful waters He leads me. He revives my soul.
The Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want.
He guides me along the right path for the sake of His name. Though I should walk in the valley of the shadow of death, no evil would I fear, for You are with me. Your crook and Your staff will give me comfort.
The Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want.
You have prepared a table before me in the sight of my foes. My head You have anointed with oil, my cup is overflowing.
The Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want.
Surely goodness and mercy shall follow